Hi, and welcome to Jill Style. Today's video is going to be a one-pot meal 2021. I was going to say 1921, but it's 2021 meal challenge, and it's going to be in collaboration with Juani from Juani's House and Stephanie from Creatively Miss MS Me. Check those channels out. So what they've done is they want to challenge everybody to make a one-pot meal, whether it be in a crock pot, a rice cooker, just a one-pot meal. And in that meal, we're going to give you our descriptions and everything. Everything will be listed in the description box below. My meal for today is, originally it is a pepperoni fettuccine recipe. However, I'm not a super fan of pepperoni, so I substituted for smoked sausage. Now, if you like pepperoni, go ahead, try it with the pepperoni. It may be good, but as I said, I'm not a big fan of it. So, we're going to start with our ingredients. In this bowl here, I have 3 smoked skinless sausage, and Dewey sausage would be good too. I have 1 bell pepper and 1 large onion. I have onion powder. I have basil, garlic, whole oregano, sea salt, olive oil, and then I have 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I left them over there. 1 second. Let me get that. We have the diced tomato with the basil, garlic, and oregano in it, but I still add more because if you watch my previous video where I did a cook with me, I like a lot of flavor, so I'm going to always add a little extra, little to that. So, oh, and the fettuccine noodles, okay? So, we're going to get started. Turn on my heat. And I'm going to add a little olive oil. Not a lot, just a little. And we're going to let that heat up a little bit. So, I think this is a great idea because in this, if you watch all the videos, you could find some recipes that you've never tried before in those days where you're like, I want to cook something. I don't know what I want. I'm tired of cooking the same old thing. Well, hey, you get all these videos that help you out, sis. And I'm excited about it because I'm trying to see what kind of recipes I can pick up on. So, as this gets warmer, I'm going to toss in my onions and my peppers. I like mine kind of chunky. You can cut yours however you like, but I like mine kind of chunky. I'm going to set this over here. Let me tell you something. This weather, I'm not going to complain because so far it's January and we've only had 1 accumulation of snow, which turned out to be I think it was like 2 inches. That was it. So I hope that's it for the season because I am not I'm not a snow girl. In my youth, I loved it, honey, because for one, that meant snow days, no school. And then I like playing in it. But honey, now that I've gotten older and Arthur likes to date a sister, I don't like it so much. So I'm hoping that that's it for the season. Uh, Today, they said it was 40. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my Alexa because earlier she said it was 41. And I had to go out to the store. And no, ma'am, it did not feel like no 41. Uh, Probably because there was no sun today. It's very cloudy today, overcast. And tomorrow is supposed to be very, very cold with snow showers. Only showers, preferably. This is about ready. As far as your fettuccine noodles, cook them. What I do is, it depends on how you like your noodles cooked. So I normally leave like 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. So that, because I'm going to add it to this, which means it's going to cook more. So you don't want it overcooked. So, well, maybe you do. However you like yours, do what you do, sis. Do what you do. But, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. And then you don't want your peppers, at least I don't like my peppers all soggy. And, you know how they do. Oh God, it smells so good. So, so good. My nephew always says, when you gonna make some more of that stuff? But you know, we all take our little recipes that we get from other people and we tweak them our way. And that's what you should do. I don't think I've ever followed a recipe completely, even on the first time. You know, some people will try to follow it the first time and then go back and the second time and do it their way. Well, I tried it. I can't never do it. So, what we're going to do now, I'm going to get the pasta in 1 second. Here's my pasta. It's been sitting over there waiting on me. So we add our pasta. Our tomatoes. I'm using 2 cans, as you see. And I think I'm going to add, yeah, because these didn't have that much juice. But I'm going to add, let's start with a half a can of water. Let's see. Oh, yeah. You don't want a lot of water, just enough. Let me see if I can show you. Let's see, hold on. Okay. I wanted you to see how much, see, that's not very much water. You don't want a lot of water. Okay. Okay. So we're going to wait for that to heat back up. That water cooled it down with a little. Yeah, that's enough. And so it's going to be at this point, I'm going to set these over to the side. It's at this point that I add, because remember, I like flavor, honey. I like my food seasoned. So I'm going to add all our seasoning. This is the garlic I'm going to do. I don't have time to be shaking all day. So let's hope I don't mess. Let's put it in my hand. And I love some garlic, you all. I love it. Whatever health benefits garlic has in it, I should be good to go, because I put it in everything. I even put it in my greens. In my last video, I think I said that I discovered last year that garlic is good in eggs. Well, actually, it was 2019, but still. Y'all never told me. Somebody should have told me. Honey, put the garlic in there and the onions. And then I had some bell pepper. Yes! Okay, this is basil. Oh, one thing I forgot, you guys, is my Italian seasoning. I like that too. This is oregano. I don't have all day to be doing that little bitty. It's not that much in here anyway. And if you watch my last video, you hear me say that I use regular onions, but I also use onion powder. I use them together because I love the flavor of onion, as you can see. I'm going to add some crushed red pepper, but I'm not going to add too much because in my senior years, hot stuff is starting to hurt the old tummy, honey. It just hurts the tummy. This is sea salt. I'm just using a little bit because I salted my water pretty good when I made the pasta. Let me find that Italian seasoning. 1 second. Okay, Italian seasoning. And I like a lot. Flavor, honey, flavor. You got to have flavor. Hey, have some flavor. What's so crazy? I'll break out a song at any moment about anything. But I like to sing. And yes, I sing at church. Well, when we had church, you know, with Corona, we're doing virtual. But that's okay. Rather safe than see, you know, having to say goodbye to people. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. I think I want some more. I think I want a little bit more of the Italian seasoning. Because to me, the Italian seasoning has like a little sweetness to it. And then with the smoked sausage, so I kind of get like a sweet and savory kind of thing going on. This is so good. So, at this point, I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to let it cook maybe 5 to 6 minutes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I took the liberty of going ahead and plating this. You guys, it smells so... Oh, girl, I'm getting calories just smelling, sniffing the air. It smells so good. So I forgot my little dish here, and I forgot my glass of iced tea. I'm a Southern girl. We like our iced tea. So I'm going to chomp down and tear this up. 1 second. Okay, so now I am back. And I just want to take this moment to say I hope you enjoy this. And also check out the other ladies, Juani at Juani's House and Stephanie at Creatively Miss Me, M-S-M-E, me. So I will have all that linked down below. There are links to their channels. Be sure to go over there, check out and see what they're doing and what everyone else, because it's an open collaboration. So there should be several people to jump in on this. I hope so. So what I like to always say is I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye.